Now, we will try to make use of the conditional operator. So, paano ginagamit ang conditional operator? So, dito may condition tayo, and then kapag nasatisfy yung condition, may gagawin siya kapag true, and then may gagawin din siya kapag false. So, let's have an example. Mag-declare tayo ng tatlong variables, int a, b, and c. Mag-assign tayo ng value for a, as well as sa value ng b. And then, paano natin isusulat yung conditional operator? First, sa variable c natin, doon natin ilalagay yung conditional operator natin. So, we have c is equal to, first is to write your condition. Sample nating condition is a is greater than b. Okay? And then, next syntax natin is question mark. And then next is, ano yung i-display mo kapag nasatisfy yung condition? This is the true value. A, display natin yung variable A. Pero kung hindi nasatisfy, i-display naman natin ang variable B. And then, semicolon. So, discuss ulit natin. So, ito yung ating condition. A is greater than B. And then next is a question mark. And then, yung A natin, yan yung i-display niya kapag nasatisfy yung ating condition na A is greater than B. And then, yung B naman, ang i-display niya kapag hindi nasatisfy yung condition na A is greater than B. So, yung A natin ng true or true value, and then yung B naman natin na ating false value. Try nating i-see out yung ating variable C kung ano ang i-display niya sa screen. Based sa given number natin, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 7. Yung 2 ba ay greater than B? So, that is false. So, dapat ang ma-display niya na sagot is yung value ng letter V. Try natin na i-run ang program. So, na-display yung value ng letter B, which is 7. Try nating baguhin yung ating value ng A. Mas palakihin natin yung value ng A natin. Ginawa nating 12. So, yung 12 ba ay greater than equal sa B? So, that is true. So, this time, ang i-display naman dapat niya is yung value ng ating A. Okay? Run uli natin ang program natin. Dapat ma-display ay 12. So, na-display natin yung 12. So, ibig sabihin, tama yung ating pagkakagawa ng conditional operator. Ito ay ginagawa kung meron tayong condition na gustong masatisfy at may gagawin siya kung nasatisfy ba o hindi nasatisfy yung ating condition na inilagay sa conditional operator.